High efficiency doesn't mean the washer runs faster, just that it uses fewer resources, drawing at least 50% less water and energy than conventional top-loading washers. A high-efficiency washer also senses load size and fabric type through a series of fills and wash motions. This enables it to optimize both the water level and temperature. Items will be saturated but may not be completely submerged in water. This is normal for a high-efficiency washer and still provides excellent cleaning. The less water required to wash a load, the less energy required by the home's water heater when using a warm or hot water temperature setting. Because high-efficiency washers use less water than conventional washers, a high-efficiency HE detergent that produces low suds is required to facilitate the rinsing process. Look for the HE label on the box or bottle. The use of high-efficiency HE detergent can help avoid potential problems such as poor cleaning results, detergent residue left on clothing, washer odor due to suds residue, excess suds which can cause leaking, extended cycles, and poor draining, and washer error codes. HE detergent is available for purchase in the same places as regular detergent in liquid, powdered, and fragrance-free formulas. It's also offered in concentrated formulas 2 times and higher and will require a smaller amount than others. Always measure HE detergent according to the manufacturer's directions. High-efficiency washers also help reduce the energy needed to dry the load. They spin at higher speeds than conventional washers, extracting more water from your clothes and shortening their drying time.